back in Manchester. Manchester's actually no Derby's hardest, man. Let's see what we get up to on the weekend anyway. Let's see how it goes. We're just gonna go shopping, get some meats for the barbecue, some marination. Boys will be over later, prep all the food, and then just see whatever we get up to today, innit? So yeah. Anyways, let's make a move. Go shopping. Right, look, we're shopping in the reduced section. You know why? Because we're on a budget, as always.
Always.
The budget boys. We live life.
We're the budgie boys.
We don't live life on the edge. We live life on a budget. Watching our pennies. We'll just get the cheapest ones. Whichever's the cheapest, just get that. Go get some nice cheese for our burgers. Well, they're the thighs we're getting anyway. Chicken thighs. We've got a couple so far, right? So we've got chicken legs, chicken thighs, smash burgers. Get some pork belly. Yeah, just get the easy ones, marinated ones.
Yeah, marinated one.
Not the defrosted ones. Just get them ones, isn't it? Fresh. It tastes better.
Then we'll just.
Right, need to get some pork belly.
Ribs or do you want?
Pork belly's easy, isn't it? Do you want pork belly or ribs? He's dropping everything, this guy. I think he's a bit pissed from last night. He's only had 3 hours sleep. They've got pork ribs for £5. There's a reduced packet there.
Yeah,
that's reduced.
Because guess what? We're on a budget.
Yo, we're looking for buns for the burgers, but this guy, he's gone down the alcohol section.
That's what we're basically.
Yo, I'm limping. Done my leg in, look. Knee brace. Been on my knees too much. That's not what you're thinking. Yo, done my knee in. He's on the mend though, playing football. Too much gym. Right, we've got us shopping for the barbecue.
So, boys, do we get mature cheddar?
Plenty of mature cheddar.
Yeah, vintage mature cheddar.
These guys never heard of baskets in their life. And they give all the shopping to the handicap guy to carry. Let's see what's being chefed up. It's the bluntest smell I've ever seen. Anyways, got the seasoning ready. Peri chicken. We've got the chef here, the main chef, Michelin star, 5-star. And for something sweet, we've got the best fruit. So watermelon. Yeah, let's get to cooking anyway. Let's get it prepped. Got to mention, so next week, me and all the boys are going to do a road trip. We're going to drive from London all the way to France. We're going to take the ferry over. So we're going to have like 2 days over there. So that's going to be a good trip for you to tune into. So don't miss that. Be a movie. It's gonna be a season, not a movie. Right, getting this barbecue started. Got the big chef chefing up over there. I haven't seen this in 30 years. The nastiest drink, the nastiest whiskey, the Cardiff Special I've ever tasted. So there's a special drink I have to try it. There's a chocolate flavoured beer or chocolate flavoured ale. So Brownie Hunter is chocolate fudge brownie flavour. Don't know what I think of it, but apparently it's won an award for the world's best beer or something. But yeah, let's give it a. Let's open it. Yeah, they got a bottle out here. Right, cheers. Can't even taste chocolate. Can't taste it.
No.
Yeah, if you like Foster and Stella, either you're mental, we're still waiting.
They're doing your train trip.
What's that?
When it took 4 hours to come and get you.
Yeah, sunny. in London. He said to me he's going to meet me in London. He'll be there in what, half an hour. It took him 4 hours to get to London, Paddington. What a mad guy.
Fucking mad.
People with bad timing, I can't stand you. Cannot stand you.
So the Indians.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's basically Indian people and black people. What's wrong? Body in it, body in fair portions. Seems alright. Seems right. Sausage, chicken,
Other nice part than 10 minutes done.
burgers.
Oh, I'm not gonna tell him about your 10 minutes. The 10 minutes.
What's that?
Yeah, but Chinese.
Yo, Vin, no disrespect. This tastes banging.
Bro, no disrespect.
Lovely.
Boys,
It's been lovely having you.
Yo, no disrespect. Snout, but the weather's been lovely.
It's been lovely. It's been lovely.
At home?
And this pork rib
What?
is delicious.
Yo, no disrespect. I'm at home. No disrespect, boys. No disrespect, boys. I've just got gas.
This is banging.
Yeah, I'm at home.
The chicken alright.
Yeah, we're just Vinny and that made a barbie in it.
Lovely.
We're just eating. So if you want to eat, come here. Subscribe.
Use it snap.
It's finger licking good.
What?
Oh.
Take it.
What?
You want one or two?
Why is he tapping me, bro?
Yeah, please. The sausage was delicious.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Yo, your window's open. Oh no, it's closed now. Yo, we're the you're the three hardest brothers in Manchester.
Shall we go casino?
That's it.
Nah, I'm on a budget.
Oh,
Yo, I'm on a budget.
budget. Oh, you should.
Yo,
You
let's,
do
find,
live.
let's find out how much bowling is.
Yeah.
Let's put it all on black or red. Double the dough, and then we got a free game of bowling.
No, well, let's go bowling and let's go in the casino after, but whack it on black and red.
Yeah, I say no more.
And we'll put like a 10 reach or something
Yeah.
on black and red and see what
Fuck it
happens.
then.
Okay.
Fuck it then. Lucky I fucking no smash or camera. You cunts are out of mine today.
Hopefully we win something.
If it comes through, it pays for desserts.
I say we'll get dessert on the way back.
We're not really. We're just gonna have nice tea at home. But it'll make us feel better.
What was I saying? Where did you sing?
Yo, dead end sing.
No, that's you.
Nah.
He's dead and sing.
You gotta take
If
your
I
time.
go see me right now,
You
he's
gotta take
dead
your
and
time
sing.
sometimes.
This guy will take you to death. Bro.
This guy took ages walking over, that's why.
Bro, you made me.
Anyways, let's play some bowling
Let's
with
go
these
play with our
cucks.
balls.
Do you know what I've noticed,
What?
right? The boys.
Look, we've come to an arcade with big kids now. I'm a big kid. Let's get bowling booked. Hopefully we get a lane. But let's get it going. Alright, go, take your pictures. Go on then.
No, it's a self.
Who?
It's a group picture.
Oh, take your
no.
selfie group. Yeah, it's
It's for the
selfie.
fridge, yeah.
Go on then. Come, let's get it going. Come on then. You got big, what's his name? Mama Vinny.
Mama, really.
Yeah, go on, Mama.
Money Malaka. He's got hair time. Yo, after the first two, we do spinners.
Spinach,
We do
yeah?
we do dizzy
Go on
bowling.
then. Oh, yo, he's got the what's it called? He's got the support on. I'll show him how it's done. Yo, it's recording. It's already on.
Yeah, pal. Shows what you're made out of. Right, big blue balls. He is injured, by the way. He is injured.
Oh, I'm injured, by the way.
Dickhead.
Oh, how many are left? Just one. Oh, one left.
No, two.
Just missed it. By an inch. By an inch.
He's not got many inches on.
I know. Yo, next up, you got Derby's.
Manny Malacca.
Yo, Derby's finest.
Derby's hardest at it.
Go on. Oh, what was that?
Let's find the right ball.
Alright. Needs to find the right balls apparently.
Malacca, he's too busy with his hands.
Found it, boys.
Go on, let's see. Go. Oh, terrible. Get home. Yo, get home. Right, next shot, I'm gonna get a strike. Watch. Ankle G.
The hardest guy in money.
Go on then, let's see you. Go on. Oh, not bad. Not a bad effort. Let's see if you can get the rest of them down. Go on. Oi. Well,
Tried to clip
yo,
it.
so far it's a poor performance from everybody.
Oh,
Yo,
shocking.
they've had too many pints in the pub. They're a bit tipsy.
Yo, I bowled properly so.
Yo,
I don't feel
so far it's been a shit show.
What can we say?
But we'll make a comeback.
Yeah, we've all got the 50 arm, it's alright.
Yo, we'll make a comeback, don't worry.
Yo.
Plenty of time left.
Properly so. The first bowl I did,
Yeah.
my toes jammed into my sock.
Oh.
I feel pain in
You
my
hear that
toes.
excuse? Sorry.
Right, he's testing out the balls. Thinks he's found the right one. What a dick.
If I hit it more to the right.
Come on, dickhead. Think I'm a dick, is it?
Oh, look at that.
He's cheating, boys.
Looks at my teeth.
He's cheating.
Terrible.
dick.
I want to get a strike.
That was silly. He asked for a strike. You didn't even get a spare. Spare
next
my
shot.
balls in your mouth.
Next shot, I get a strike.
Freestyle it.
Whichever way you want.
Oh, that's alright, no?
Oh, that was dead. Yo, I'm going home now. That was dead.
Okay.
Oh, that was shit.
Gutter ball.
He tried to throw it in.
It
He
slipped
tried to
out.
throw it in, it slipped out.
Alright, ready?
How about gutter ball that?
Yo, I don't know what's happening today. It's not good. It's not looking good. It's not looking good today. Right, let's go. Oh, one more left. I had one more left. I need to get a strike.
What a strike! No, you got another go. Oh, it's on 95, 96. It's on 96, he's taking the lead.
Another strike. Oh, this is my ball. This is my ball.
You got another go.
Yeah, I am.
He's on 103. Oh,
Just missed it. And I'm the winner.
Go on, Kaki.
I'm the winner. El Shama.
Oh, listen.
Go on.
Big second, no hurry will.
He took third place. This is Dingasing. Yo, Dingasing. Yo, what a game. Good little laugh though. Good laugh.